Exactly. That's what made it excellent for so many people across East Texas. We are absolutely loving this. But this week we have some rain chances and possibly severe weather.
Yes. Key emphasis on the possibility of severe weather. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. I'm actually not super impressed with what I'm seeing in the data right now, but it is a possibility because it is springtime. Meteorological spring, as us weather dweebs like to call it. But as we look at Longview, meteorological spring, that started March 1st, by the way. We are seeing a beautiful sunset in Longview. Now, in Tyler, it's beautiful as well. And there you go. Let's go ahead and bring up Tyler. There it is. You can see towards Lindale, a couple of clouds, and we will see partly to mostly cloudy skies at least through midnight. We hit 84 at Tyler today, so it was another very warm day, and as a matter of fact, we tied the record of 84 set back in 1938. It was a very warm morning. Look at that. We only got down to 66, and the normal low is about 45 based on those historical averages. Temps have come down now, upper 70s, lower 80s. You can start to see the cloud cover moving in as well. We've got storms to our east, but here in East Texas, we're really not dealing with much. Most of the thunderstorms are well out to our east, from Mansfield, Louisiana, up to Minden, Louisiana, up into portions of Arkansas. A couple of severe thunderstorm warnings near Little Rock, but other than that, we've been pretty quiet. Now, as we look at Futurecast early tomorrow morning, I'm going to pause this at 1. Now, these storms could happen at 1, they could happen at 2, they could happen at 4, they could happen at 6. But I do expect a few thunderstorms in the area between midnight and daybreak tomorrow morning. But this is what Futurecast says at 1. Best chance of storms will be in deep East Texas then. We continue to monitor storms Tuesday morning at 4 o'clock, and then most of it's out by 8 or 9. Now, we should be mainly dry for Tuesday afternoon. However, we could see some redevelopment up to our north by Tuesday evening. That's 5 o'clock. And then Wednesday, this will be interesting because as this high resolution data comes in for Wednesday afternoon, it tries to develop more thunderstorms in the midst of that daytime heating. That would be 6 o'clock, but you can see some bubble up thunderstorms there in our northeastern counties. For that reason, we do have a marginal risk of severe weather for Tuesday. We do not, however, have a marginal risk for Wednesday, but there could be one issued. So for tonight, tomorrow, and possibly Wednesday, the main threats would be small hail and winds. But again, in the green, that is a marginal risk of severe weather. That's the lowest severe weather threat we have. 64 tonight. High temperatures very warm once again tomorrow. Highs will be in the low to middle 80s, so it's warm, could potentially be stormy, especially in the morning. Some severe thunderstorms possible for Thursday. That's a level 2 slight risk for the same threats, wind and hail, and then another slight risk for Friday as well. Next 7 days, we will be dealing with those storm chances through the end of the week. We'll be in the 70s, 63 Saturday, 65 Sunday, 71 next Monday. After a couple of days of 80s in deep East Texas, we get storms Thursday and Friday with highs back into the 70s. Casey.
All right.